What is up? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Peep the merch, peep the merch. Yeah. Hopefully everybody's doing great. In today's video, it's gonna be a short one. Something that I've had in the back of my mind to do for a while now, but didn't really get to it. Didn't see it, I guess, see it necessary to get done, even though it was. But anyways, we got a dash cam. Yep, a tiger, red tiger. It is not sponsored, unfortunately, but yeah. Got this and put it on the Q50 along with a Hardwire. I got this on Amazon. This was the most pricey piece. There's a bunch of them out there. Figure I'd give this a try, because why not? It has a front one and a back one, so I guess let's just not talk about it too much and get to it. Alright. It's dark, of course. Now it's that I have the time for it, but yeah. Probably gonna place it. Well, you can't really see anything here. Here's the strip down right between here. So I'll probably put it somewhere on here. I don't want it to hang too low, because then I'll have the wires just showing everywhere. So right somewhere on here, and then just throw the cable to the back and then hardwire it but down here. So let's get to it. Alright, so let's try to do some unboxing here. Take it out. This is what we got here. Kind of the whole setup of it. Whatever does what. And then here we have the supply cable, the tool and the adhesive, the rear camera, and user manual. You don't need that shit. And here we go. It comes with a built-in GPS. And here's the camera. Looks nice and fancy, small, nothing huge. I didn't get the one with the cabin camera. Thought about it after I got it, but screw it. It'll do that. And then we won't be using this supply cable, since I did get this. Here, hold on, get this shit out of the way. The Hardwire. Yes. And it's just a universal one, which should work just fine. So let's take this all off and then get to work. This, I don't know what they're for, because I mean, I guess maybe once the suction cup stops working, I guess you can use that, but yeah, we won't be using this. We might use just the little tool for it. We can leave everything else in there. Yeah, that's cool. Put that there, and then this right here. Bitch. This is for the rear camera. That probably will need it, but here it is. Here's the camera, and it turns wherever you want it to look at, and all that cable that you'll have to find where to put it, because yeah, it's a lot. But yeah, let's get to it. This is the bottom of it, of the camera. See, it has those just right there, and then it connects straight in there. You kind of have to push it in there. Let's see. Dim lighting is not the best. Leave it like this. It just slides on there. It's in there. Let me see. Chill, bro, chill. Oh, it clicked. It's on there. Yep. And then try to loosen that up right there. Like that. And we're thinking try somewhere around here. Maybe close to the, yeah, something like this. Because I don't want it all the way in here. I don't know that I really want that here. and then just the cables kind of running around. I don't know. No, I'm not sure. Well, probably. I don't know. Let's see. Let's get this thing, which is probably gonna be the biggest pain in the ass. Get it on there, and then we're just gonna throw it through here, and all the way to the back. Well, sorry. All right, so I already threw the cable. As you can see from right there, all the way from the corner here. Shit. If it focuses, focus. All through the corner. I took the sun strip out through that crack, and there it is. All that other slack I put in there, right here. So I just found a little pocket and just put it in there. So we got it there. It's not completely on there, but it's on there now. Now we gotta do the other one, the one that's gonna be hardwired down here. So let's get to it. So I already kind of got ahead of myself and connected the plugs that I needed, what I was gonna need. Jesus Christ. Anyways, so this part goes connected to the top of the camera. This tells you the voltage, and this goes connected over there. It comes, well, that doesn't come on there. It's like actually off, because it goes to, I guess depends on the style of fuses you have. So it has a couple of different ones here that it comes with, but I already went ahead and connected those because that's the style that I have on mine. And then here's the ground. So that's the ground. This one, I believe it's for the power, and this one's accessory. This one, I believe it goes to the cigarette lighter bullshit, and that one to like accessory bullshit or powers. I don't know. I'll connect it and show you guys where I decide to go with it. So, but now we gotta put all this bull crap through here. I just took this cover out right here for the fuses and all that shit. I just smacked my shit to hit me right on the damn face. So I already routed it through here. Yeah, you can kind of see it. You get the idea. All through the side here, and then I have all the cable. I'm gonna go ahead and zip tie it together, and then I'll find a spot to connect that ground that we got there on here. Maybe connect it to a bolt or something that's already on there, and then connect the rest. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, find where I'm gonna connect it or put it on, show you guys, and then put it back together. All right, so I ended up connecting everything. I got the ground over here. You guys kind of see it right here, and then I put the power button, I mean the power fucking wire to the radio, connected it in there, and then the accessory one to the cigarette. So they're right here. Shit. Focus. We got audio here, and then the cigarette lighter. Don't ask me how I got it, just I looked it up. Anyways, so that's that. We got it all together. Now let's try see what happens. We got some light there. Focus. There we go. It's starting. Oh, red tiger, trolling peace of mind. This thing has the worst focus BS. Anyways, we got power. That's good. And then here we got, what does it say? 14.4. I know you can't see it, but it's gotta clean all this crap up and finish putting all the plastics together. Alright, so I finished putting all the plastics and everything back on. And so I'll put back together that, all this back. I still need to put the camera where I want it, but let's finish this crap here. Let's see how it works. English, yes, because yeah, New York time. Yeah, that'll work with this here. We're close enough. All right, I should probably take this little plastic out of here. All right, beautiful. Keep it there. This all this, you probably can't see it. Them wires are gonna piss me off, but we'll find a way to make it work somehow. Yeah, because we can't have this. Anyways, yeah, that looks cool. Looks good there. Where's the little button? Crap. Tying that up. Over there. Voila! Looks pretty clear. And then that's right there. That's a rear camera, so we'll have to fix that. But all in all, not a bad install. Pretty easy. I'd say that was probably the hardest part, knowing where you want to wire what. But we got it all in there. We got it all in there. Let's see what we do now. Let me hook up the back one and I'll show you guys. And just before anybody says anything, whatever, I did get one for the G also. Look at it right there. You know I have to. If I do one, I gotta do the other also. So, yep. What did we have fall here? Shocker. This thing doesn't even suck anymore. Gotta clean that shit up first before I put this thing on. This puppy has taken some beats. Beat up. Anyways, yep, got one for the G2. So we're golden. Just need one for the truck and the Alpha. JK. But I do need a backup camera for this puppy here because I don't have back windows or anything, so it's a pain in the ass to back up. All right, looks like we're all Gucci now. Let's see if it focuses. That's the front and that's the back. Looks pretty clear. Looks good. Now I just gotta figure out, I mean, there's really not much I can do with this, all these wires here, but I guess I'll have to get used to it. But it's all on there, all good. I don't really need that to back up. We just have this, but come on, just for the purposes of the video. But again, looks pretty clear. Actually, I'm pretty happy with it. Looks clear as it can be. Not bad at all. And there it goes. I don't know if that's good or not, but anyways, it records, it works. This camera's pissing me off with the whole focusing crap. Alright, cool. I think that's good. Well, that was that. It was a short video, I know, but I got you guys. I got you. Also, we got some new merch. Go get yourself some in the description. We got the back of it too. Maybe if I can show you guys. It's pretty rad. if you ask me. Maybe right here. It's a picture of the G35. Figure I had to change it up a little bit and give you guys something other than just resilience plain. Let me know if you guys like it. I have the hoodie and then a shirt that goes with it too. So hope you guys enjoyed. I got some more coming up, some more videos. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and then as always, I'll see you in the next one.